During the summer of 2010, a very unique mountain bike trail was constructed in the Wilson Gulch area of the Croy Creek drainage, west of Haley, Idaho. Along the 1-mile segment of trail, riders encounter 18 single or double rollers and 8 tabletops, which they can either jump from one end to the other or roll through without their tires leaving the ground. Mountain bike enthusiasts and planners from the Bureau of Land Management, the federal agency responsible for the lands the Croy Creek routes traverse, wanted a flow trail in the Rotarun area that would be a fun and challenging way to enjoy public lands from early spring to late fall. John Kurtz, the outdoor recreation planner for the BLM Shoshone Field Office, explains how important on-the-ground collaboration was in designing and building the trail.
We've worked actually very closely with the local government, with the county officials, in order to help get support for the project, to see that through. They actually helped fund an individual that came out and flagged the trail corridor prior to construction to help us try to get that flow, design the flow into it. And then we've actually worked a lot with the local trail users to understand the type of experience that they do want to try to have. And then we've had some people come out on the ground and walk the flag line with us, looking for the types of terrain and features to design into the trail system.
Western communities like Haley, Idaho, increasingly thrive on outdoor recreation.
When people have the ability to get out and recreate, they're really happier, and they have a better quality of life. So in some ways that reflects the number of cases that we get to have to pay for medical expenses, for instance. And we really want to strive to have a healthy community, and this trail system fits exactly into that plan. The trail system that we're developing in cooperation with BLM really is helping out our community. The bike shops are doing better, restaurants are doing better, hotels are even doing better because the word is getting out about our great trail system. And this opportunity came at just the right moment for Blaine County.
Funding came in 2009 as an allocation under the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act. The Recovery Act allowed federal agencies across the country, including the BLM in Idaho, to fund projects that could lead economic turnaround. Projects like the mountain bike trail in Wilson Gulch meet the BLM's multiple use objectives and the needs and desires of people whose lives and work are tied to public lands. Beyond immediate economic stimulus, these projects are a long-term investment in local communities, attracting visitors and future residents, and building and sustaining quality of life and the health of public lands.